In Algeria, located in northern Africa, there is a packaging line that consistently produces tens of thousands of cups of high-quality cream products every day. The technological support behind this line comes from Mittiway, a Chinese packaging expert. This is the actual application site at our customer's factory in Algeria. The customer has adopted Mittiway's customized 250-degree and 500-grain cup packaging cream wrapping machine solution, achieving fully automated operations from cup filling, automatic cup separation, box loading to box sealing. Our cup wrapping machine features precise cup positioning and a high-speed cup pushing system, enabling quick module switching to accommodate different sizes, 250-degree, 500-degree, without the need for downtime adjustments, thereby significantly improving production efficiency. The equipment is compatible with a variety of box designs to meet different market demands, making it suitable for supermarket shelves, retail channels, and export requirements. The entire line adopts an intelligent servo control system, ensuring coordinated and precise movements. Key nodes are equipped with a visual recognition system to achieve dynamic correction and quality monitoring. The box sealing section uses a high-strength hot melt adhesive spraying system to ensure a secure seal and a smooth, attractive appearance. In addition, the entire machine design complies with EU CE safety standards, ensuring export compliance for customers. Our equipment operates stably and is easy to maintain. Algerian customers have expressed high praise for Mittiway's equipment. From delivery to commissioning, Mittiway provided full process installation, commissioning, and operational training, truly delivering a turnkey solution. As a manufacturer specializing in packaging solutions, Mittiway not only provides standardized equipment, but also customizes production lines for customers to ensure that each piece of equipment meets actual production needs. From Algeria to more regions around the world, we connect quality with our equipment and win trust with our services. For efficient packaging of cup-shaped cream, choose Mittiway. Contact us for your customized packaging solutions.